Hello, in this video I will show you how to make dotted circle in MS Word. First you need to click on the insert and click on the shapes, and under the shapes click on the oval or circle. Draw your circle, and after that right click and go to the format shape. If you don't want any color, then click on no fill, and you can also change the color of your line. Here you can change the color, and here you can increase or decrease the transparency according to your requirement. Here you can make your circle bigger, increase the width, and under the dash type you need to click on the square dotted, and here you can see that the square dotted is inserted. And if you want to change it to the circle dotted, and you need to click on that. And if you want to add anything in the circle, just right click on that on add text and write anything like add. By default it is white color. You need to change the color, type add, and here you can see that you can add anything in the circle. So if you think this video is supportive, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.